and this week's theme is Puppy Love. Oh, come here! Come here! Come here! Hey, buddy! Don't do that! Come here, Capone! Capone, come here! 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 My Capone! My Capone! Mwah! Mwah! And I like snippers too. If you guys didn't know, I had 4 dogs and 20 fish. He's so adorable. And bring out your nose. And bring out your nose. Hi there. Hi there, my little pitbull. My baby pitbull. Are you a baby pitbull? Yes, you are. Yes, you are, Capone. Ow! Capone. Stop it. Stop it. What about the other puppies? There's a lot of them. Nip it. Get it, nip it. Oh. Buddy? My buddy! I love my buddy. My buddy. Mwah. And then you got to get doggy. Come, my jungle, he's little. Got you. Look at me shaking my booty, butthole, my booty. Let's spy on the dogs. A romantic dance with my puppy princess. And also, you know how when they spin the girls and then they lean back, like in a romantic dance after them getting married? Well, that I train you to do that. Watch and see. My little big girl. Lean, girl, lean. Okay. Lean. Lean, girl. Good girl. Add the arms, add the arms. Up, down, lean. Good girl, Mom. Princess. She's my only book to confess. When she is my best princess, cause you confess to the prince. princess. To the princess. Lean, girl, lean. Lean over, lean over. Lean. Lean, my darling, lean. When she lets go, she's only barf. But to me, she's my special king. Here is, look at this. How do I make it do that? This is what I'm recording for my YouTube video. See, it's upload stuff. Well, that's kind of cool.